6th attempt. We got it. Okay. We're going to make a mess. Huge mess. But you want to put some oil. Don't do that. You go there. And the other one should be facing that way. Verify. Yes. Okay. Okay, so clips are in, rings are on, they're lined up. I am pulling the rag. Right one. Okay. Now I gotta put gasket sealer on this thing. It's not gonna work. Wrong. Idiot. Piston ring compressor. Okay. Oil seal. Check. I might like this one better. I do. There's a little bit extra goop right here. But it'll squish. Front. This. 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 So on the edge is a little beveled. Sometimes you can squish it with your fingers, but the edges are sharp. You'll cut yourself. You want to make sure that this is oriented in the right direction. But if it's not, you'll know. Okay, so our piston is inside. And so we just go down, and sometimes this works, sometimes it slides off and the ring doesn't make it, and you have to fight. So, you know, some taps. We're good. But I will not be defeated by a clamp. Well, not this time. I've been defeated by a clamp before. You could cut it and it would be easier to take off. Oh, wrong rag, huh? I mean, that shit'll burn off. So that looks pretty good. Yeah. Oh, wait. We're dialed down, too. Let me back it up, see what happens. This is a restrictor slash locator. Doesn't really matter which direction it faces because the oil's flowing up. This just slows it down so that it fills up this oil galley first. And then this only goes on one way. I like it. Cuff, what are you barking at? Really?
Hey. Hey. That was literally just a bird screaming at you.
Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. I don't think it will. But let's make sure it's going to spin. Yes, it does. Okay. 3 stages, 15, 27, and 40 Newton meters. And then after you ride it, you come back and retorque it to 40 again. It's a pain because it'll be in the bike. Wrong. So they make this special tool. This is from same company I bought the other ones from, HDE USA. It'll slip on here. And then you'll get a little okay. So it cut off when I was doing like the final torque stage. So all I did after that was I put the boards back there because it's getting a little heavier and more wobblier, and I don't want it tipping over and bending anything on this side. And then I came over here and I just slipped this on so I could get this lined up towards where it's supposed to be when we put the belt on. I had to go eat, so now we're going to do the other cylinder, the horizontal cylinder. Second verse, kind of same as the first. I'll probably just time lapse this. If you want, I can time lapse it slow. So you can tell me everything I'm doing wrong. But maybe not.
Like the sun, you know, baby, you're the only one. 10 miles wide. About 10 miles wide. About 10 miles wide. Listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? Your hard luck woman ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Said you're one day here and the next day gone. Come around here looking for all you can take. Moving me so hard, make my poor heart shake. Make my poor heart shake. Chasing you, woman, I'm chasing my tail. Can't catch either, so it's just as well. So it's just as well. Love like that, it can't last long. You're one day here and the next day gone. You're one day here and the next day gone. Lightning in a bottle shines so bright. light. I said, I seen you, baby, just the other night. Well, listen here, baby, can't you hear me sing? You're a hard luck woman, ain't learned a goddamn thing. Well, you shine so bright and you come on strong. One day here and the next day gone. Well, you're one day here and the next day gone. One day here and the next day gone.
So let's talk about this cylinder for a minute. 95 ST2. So this was a water-cooled cylinder before. In order to convert it over to oil-cooled, we had to plug this hole. So this used to feed water. And so oil used to only flow up and down through here and then back down through here. So you got to drill it and tap it. Well, you got to tap it right here and plug this off. This is a water outlet. And then on the side here, this oil feed hole, you have to drill through here and into the hole. That way oil will flow up and around in here and then up. Andy's Motorcycle Obsession has a great video on converting these water-cooled cylinders over to oil-cooled cylinders. I followed his instructions.
Cypress storm, chopping trees, driving tractor all day. He works that push pile all night down the Arwindale way. Lord knows it's just one man. Try to live out them songs he wrote. Took him down too soon, took him down too slow. One thing he told me, the one thing I learned: blues can't be taught, boy, they got to be earned. He's a walking catfish, he run a chicken down. can't be taught, boy, they got to be earned.
So I'm going to be in the way sometimes. But what we're doing is finding top dead center. So I got a stopper in here that I just made. I'll show you that in a minute. But it's a spark plug. You hollow it out, drill it and tap it, and then you put a bolt through it. So if we go this way, we're at 8 degrees. And this is a little rubby, so hold on. That's better. So I'm at like 8.5. We spin it all the way around. And I'm at 8. So I want to take off the half. And then I'm at the 8. Okay? So we split the 8s on either side. That means we're zeroed. And then, so that means I can take this out. And then we should be able to take this, put it on 0. And it lines up with our mark. Our mark's actually a little bit off. But then we can also ten. 10. Yeah, we're good. See, spark plug hollowed out, 825 inside. Don't give me credit for this. Brad the biker boy showed me on YouTube, so I just stole his idea. Or used his idea. Not stealing if I give him credit, right? So now we're top dead center on this cylinder for this camshaft. This one, totally different, right? But we can do one at a time. So, what we got to do is we're going to check for what? What are we doing? Oh yeah, piston to valve clearance.